How to eject a USB correctly from a Bambu Lab 3D printer. Now first, you'd never want to just pull the USB out like that. This is a P2S and it will give you an unsafe removal warning. You want to go to your settings. This is again, as I say, a P2S, but whatever printer you're using, go to the settings and you should see USB. And within the USB storage settings, you should see eject like this. Select that and confirm that you want to eject it, and now you'll be able to safely eject the USB from your Bambu Lab. Now the reason you don't want to just pull it out, as I shown at the start, is that this can easily corrupt files and you'll lose anything what is on the USB pen. So you want to eject it correctly, whichever Bambu Lab 3D printer you're using. Hopefully this video helps you out. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.